I want to explore with you the idea of rethinking what biometrics mean. We all think of biometrics as our fingerprint, our visual image, facial recognition, photograph imaging, all kinds of things like that, DNA, retinal scan, etc. Those are all physical attributes about us. What's happening now is driven largely by the fraud, the financial industry is rethinking what biometrics means. So I want to imagine a future that's already being created right now where our biometric behavior analysis is based on a digital twin of ourselves, our behaviors captured in some digital form. So imagine fraud isn't just by, is my credit card valid? Do I have a valid certificate in my wallet with a digital form of payment in my wallet? It's also, do I shop at that store? Am I in the town where the purchase is being made, or is it being made online? When I eat burritos, is it typically Tuesday? Why is it Wednesday when I'm ordering a burrito at this restaurant? When it's not the special day. But maybe that's not an unusual act. Maybe it's just an exception to it. So we're in an age, because we have AI, where we're transforming from physical forms of identification, starting way back with two-factor, I've got something I know, something I have, right? With a digital, combined with the digital version of ourselves. I'm going to call it a digital twin. It may not exactly be that, but it'll be AI analysis, AI analytics of not just static information, but information in motion. Not just video of us walking by. So let's think about how this is being rethought. All of us have dealt with the issue of how much will our end users, how much will our end customers take of security before they're going to complain, before they're going to push back, before they're going to stop doing business with us. Or they're all tired of typing in texts or copying codes and putting them into applications, or tired of getting out their authenticators. You can walk through an airport today, if you have Clear, you can walk through the line, do one biometric scan. There are images created of you, there are photographs taken of you, there's a person who guides the process, but I can walk through an entire TSA process without doing anything else other than standing in line and being okayed by the TSA agent. I can go into an Amazon shopping experience in the airport at, you can tell how much time I spend in airports. In the airport at Las Vegas, of all places, go through the little gates, walk in, pick out my snack or my headphones or my cable, whatever I'm interested in. I've got inside my wallet and my phone and inside my digital footprint what I need to buy something on an Amazon account and walk out. Never talk to a person, never scan anything. It goes with me, the transaction follows. Okay, now all of that is part of creating our digital footprint online. And guess what? It's also being captured as part of our digital transactions and starting to be used in behavioral analysis of what our world looks like. So my challenge to us, to me, to all of us, is to stop thinking of biometrics as the physical footprint, the physical attributes of what we have, but of our digital behavior and analysis of that information and how that follows with it. The secondary part of it is, and how do we protect it? I don't want my digital twin to get stolen. I don't want to confront my digital twin. The evil digital twin of Mitch confronts the positive physical form of Mitch about that. So I think this is an area when we think about identity and we think about fraud and all the things that are so important to us in security world, for us to go back to school and start to think, what should we challenge about that? I know we don't like to scan security codes, QR codes. We'll see if you trust me to scan this one or not. That's okay if you don't. You can go to Digital CXO and find this article. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to meeting you in the digital twin world.